is Joni. Welcome to my house in Indiana. Today I decided I wanted to create a decoration for above this door frame that goes into my craft room. So I'm going to look for some cheap, easy ideas. So let's go over to the kitchen table and do it now. Hi, we're here at the kitchen table now, and what I'm starting with is a wooden with twine garland that I found at the Target dollar spot, which is always a great place to find decorative stuff, and some self-adhesive Christmas clings that I got on clearance after Christmas. And I picked these because I wanted to do the snowflake theme for January. So now we're just going to get started. I'm going to start with just picking the different snowflakes and then arranging them how I want them. I have some different ones to choose from. I have small, big, large. I think I'll do a little small one here, a little bigger one here. And I kind of, this is one of those things where you'll just find whatever works, go through your Christmas stuff. Do you already have something you can use? This garland with the string that I had it in a drawer that I found at the Target dollar spot. I couldn't even tell you, last year sometime. So when you're going to look for decorations and things to make in your home, always start with what you have. Look around and see what you have before you actually go out and buy anything. So now that it's complete, we'll go back over to the doorway and hang it. We're back over at the doorway, and with the help of my stool and command hooks, I have hung the garland. So now I have an inexpensive decoration that'll carry me through January. Now that's crafty. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time on craftyjoni.com.